Hello friends, today we would be learning about the rubric Delusion Charmed and Cannot Break the Spell. We have a single remedy in the rubric and it is from Synthesis Repertory and the remedy is lachesis. Okay, so when we are considering this rubric, we have to see that all the rubrics in the repertory are morbid, that is they are not balanced. Okay, so even when you have a rubric say cheerful in the repertory, so now what is the harm in being cheerful? But here we have to consider that this cheerful is morbid, that is not balanced. Okay, hence it is in the repertory. So whenever you are considering the rubric, the word meaning. Now delusion is a perception. Okay, many say they are false perception. It is not false. It is what the patient perceives. Okay, so according to the patient, it is true, but the physician, we feel that this delusion, this is not appropriate. Okay, hence it is listed in the repertory. So now we need to first see the dictionary meaning of charmed. So what is the dictionary meaning of the charm that we need to first understand? That is attracted, fascinating, vivacious, and that is the meaning of this word charmed. Okay, so but how to implement it in your clinical practice, we will understand that. Okay, so patient comes from far off to take medicine from that particular doctor. मुझे तो इस डॉक्टर की ही दवाई जमती है, यही डॉक्टर मुझे दवाई दे. So that is charmed. So that is being attracted to that physician. Okay, so they will travel miles distance to take medicines from that physician. So this way you can apply. Okay, and at times the patient says मुझे वो वाली बॉटल की वो ही मीठी गोली देना है. So he is charmed by the medicines. Okay, so see, like the snake, the charmer, and जो बीन बजाते हैं उसी धुन में जो है स्नेक जाता है. So the spell, it is the spell, like we had the magic spell. Okay, so in childhood we had even heard the stories, so the magicians magic spells, so you can correlate that. Okay, so accordingly now lachesis, why lachesis is having this rubric delusion charm and cannot break the spell. Lachesis is under the supernatural power. They have got a supernatural power. They are curious. They are into traditional prejudice as well. तो दादी माँ के जो नुस्खे रहते हैं वो ऑलरेडी वो लोग ने ये सब घरगुती इलाज कर लिया है. अभी उनको ऐसा लगता है कि डॉक्टर के पास जाए करके, उसमें भी उनके बैक ऑफ द माइंड डेल्यूजन पॉइजन है. तो विचेवर डॉक्टर की दवा उनको लागू पड़ेगी वही डॉक्टर के पास उनको जाना होता है. तो दे आर अट्रैक्टेड, दे आर फैसिनेटेड बाय दिस physician, and then hence they want medicines from that particular doctor only. Okay, and at the back of the mind there is a rubric which they are into, that is delusion injury, being injured by surroundings. So मुझे जो है मेरे वातावरण से खतरा है, मुझे जो है पॉइजन कोई ना दे दे दवाई के नाम पे, डेल्यूजन पॉइजन बाय मेडिसिन. ओके, सो उनके मन में ये सब होता है. तो जो डॉक्टर के पास उनको फेथ हो, जो डॉक्टर से वो चार्म्ड हो गए हैं, उनका ही मेडिसिन इनको लेना है. तो दे हैज़ गॉट दैट अट्रैक्शन. ओके, दे आर अट्रैक्टेड एंड दे आर फैसिनेटेड एंड हेंस दे वांट टू टेक दिस मेडिसिन. ओके, सो द स्पेल, जैसे वो स्पेल रहता है उस वक्त के लिए जो है वो स्नेक, सपेरे की धुन, जो बीन बजाता है सपेरा, और उसी धुन में वो स्नेक भी जाता है. पर जैसे ही वो बीन बजाना बंद हो जाता है so the snake stop. So until the spell is broken, there is a charm. and that is why the patient insists on that. There are many female, male, those who go to many saints. बाबा जी ने कहा है तो हम जैसे बाबा जी कहेंगे वैसा ही हम करेंगे, ठीक है. ऑल दीज एग्जाम्पल्स आर फॉर लर्निंग पर्पस. सो दीज पीपल दे फील दैट जो बाबा जी ने कहा है हम वैसा ही करेंगे. सो दे आर चार्म्ड बाय द सेंट्स, ओके, बाय बाबा जी, एंड जो उन्होंने बोला है वही करेंगे. सो इन सच पेशेंट यू कैन यूज द रूब्रिक delusion charmed and cannot break the spell. Okay, thank you.